some alternative medicine, and some Chicagoans are still turning to acupuncture to feel better. 29-year-old Rainer Reyes was moving an air conditioner in his Logan Square home when he strained his back. After a couple of days, the pain felt worse. He decided to see if the ancient practice of acupuncture could help.
Actually, a lot more than I anticipated. More of a gradual look at it. Did have a significant difference.
Rainer is like many people who seek out acupuncture for pain relief. The local medical doctor and acupuncturist, Dr. Lorraine Wu, says the alternative form of medicine can help with all kinds of medical conditions. It's actually really hard.
Where they at, bud? Where they at? Show me where they're at. Show me where they're at. Where they at, bud? Buddy. Where they at? Good boy. You sit down. Good boy. Good boy.